The new Muffin Builder version 3 is jam-packed with cool new features and a fresh new design. It'll make your work faster and much more enjoyable. Let's start creating. The new Muffin Builder consists of the main body, where the content will be created, and a right menu including pre-built sections, revisions, export/import, preview, and lastly, settings. We'll dive deeper into those in the following videos, but first, let's start building. Click on Start Creating. Here you can select a ready wrap layout or import a pre-built section. If you're not sure which layout you want to use, don't worry, you can change it later. For this video, we'll build a simple section with some text and an image. We want the image to be on the left and text to be on the right. We'll choose the 1/2 layout. Great! We have a new section with 2 wraps. You can control the width of the wraps using the plus and minus icons, edit, clone it, and delete. If you want to add another section, just click on the plus icon on the top and bottom of the current section. Okay, let's add an item. Click on Add Item. You can browse through all of the available items in the Muffin Builder or use the search options. We'll find the image item and add it to the builder. As you can see, it also has the options to control the width, edit, clone, and delete. Click on Edit to add an image. By default, all of the items are filled out with placeholder images and dummy text, so you can quickly see how it looks with all of the fields populated. Change the placeholder image by clicking Browse and select an image from the media library. Scroll down to discover more options and tailor them to your needs. We'll set ours to be center aligned and choose a lightbox pop-up image after we click it. Okay, great! Now let's take care of the right wrap. Add a new item in the same manner we did previously. Use either the column or visual editor item. We'll also add a button with an icon. Edit the button to insert the title, link, and icon. You can browse through the basic icon set or search for an icon from Font Awesome. You can also play around with colors if you want a different one than those set in theme options. Okay, now use the preview button to see what our work looks like. Awesome! We have the image on the left and the text on the right. But this can look better. Let's now dive into wrap and section options. Edit the section. Here you'll find a lot of options. Let's adjust the background color to be a light gray. Add padding to the top and bottom to create some space. As you can see, there are many more options you can choose from. Let's also select equal height wraps to center the content vertically in the middle relative to the image. If this style option is new, we suggest watching a video just about that. We'll link it in the video description. After you're done with editing the section, click on Save Changes. Before we go to see how it looks live, check out a new fantastic option. You can see an info icon next to the Edit button. If you hover over it, a window will appear. It contains all of the section settings, so you can take a glance instead of editing it. That will save you a lot of time when building. Okay, let's check out how we're doing so far. The background has changed to light gray, and now we have some space on the top and bottom. The only things missing are some horizontal spaces for the right wrap, and you probably noticed that the content is not centered vertically. To achieve this, we need to edit the wrap. The wrap has very similar options to the section. As we scroll down, let's adjust the padding, and most importantly, choose Vertical Align to be middle. This will center the content vertically. Okay, let's check it out. Click on Preview, and yeah, this looks much better. Now, before we end this video, we'd like to show you one more important function implemented in the new Muffin Builder. Now you can copy a single section and paste it anywhere on any page. To do that, hover over the three dots icon. It will display the Actions menu. Besides the options like Collapse, Move, and Hide, you'll also see the Copy section. Click it to copy the section and paste it above, below, or on a completely different page. Now you can create repeating sections much faster. To get more in-depth information about the changes and how to use the Muffin Builder, please watch our other YouTube videos or head on to support.muffingroup.com. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, hit that like button as well as the notification bell to always get the latest news about BeTheme.